Yes, good morning, students. So here are the editing exercises. They are there in front of you. So the following passages have not been edited. There is one error in each line. Write the incorrect word and the correction against the correct question number. Remember to underline the word you have supplied. So the stanza paragraph number 1. So first I'm going to read it out for you people. So I won't be doing the editing. I won't be telling you where the mistake is. Just let's read it together, and later on any one of you will be asked to do the editing work. So you do it side by side. So once let us not do any editing. Just let's read it out. The traditional, in the traditional sense, prayer meant communicating on God Almighty. It includes the devotions, verbal but mental prayers that are saying. There are various ways and forms to prayer and meditation, vocal prayers, etc. But the fundamental, either the base of prayer, are not any of these. So this is the exercise where there are many mistakes. So find out the mistakes. I'm reading it out again for you people. You can again read it with me. So when we read the exercise with mistakes, then we are able to make out the corrections by default many a times. In the traditional sense, prayer meant communicating on God Almighty. It includes the devotions, verbal but mental prayers that are saying. There are various ways and forms to prayer and meditation, vocal prayers, etc. But the fundamental, either the base of prayer, are not any of these. Okay. Okay, many children have started solving it. I may ask anyone to show me the notebook first. All of you turn on your videos and show me the notebooks where you people are doing the work. All of you turn on your videos. Come on. I would like to see the notebooks of all of you to see whether you're doing the work or not. Yes. Turn on your videos. Turn on your videos. Yes, Ishani is doing her work. Dipali, Ganesh, Ansha. Yes. Okay, keep your videos on and you can focus it upon your notebook. Okay, you just keep the focus of your camera on the notebook. That's it. Okay, Lavanya's camera is not on. Arshdeep Kaur, yes. I can't see anything in your camera. Yes, Kirtima. Come on, children, turn on your cameras. Don't bother much about anything. Dharya, Harshita, Krishna, Gulpal. Okay, many children still are not turning on the camera. It means that they are not doing the work. Am I right? Yes. Yes, Jia, Janvi, both of you are showing me notebooks. Very good. Arshdeep Kaur. Yes, well done. Chaitanya. Okay, Arshdeep Kaur, show me the answers. Have you solved it? Okay, Garima, I have seen. Chaitanya. Okay, Arpita, speak up the first answer. In the traditional sense, prayer meant communicating on God Almighty. What's the answer over here, Arpita? Arpita. Arpita. Okay, Kanish, speak the answers.
First is means. Instead of meant, there is means.
Kanish, raise hand. Okay, now speak.
First is means. A option is means.
Speak the full sentence in the traditional sense. Prayer.
In that traditional sense, prayer means.
So, in the traditional sense, prayer means. Okay, Gushan. B part. Lower your hand now,
Yes,
Kanish.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
In the traditional sense, prayer means communicating with God Almighty.
Okay. So, in the traditional sense, prayer means communicating with God Almighty. Okay, communicating with the God Almighty. That is correct. Okay, Lavanya, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, in the C part, it includes the devotions, verbal and mental prayers that are saying.
It includes the devotions, verbal and mental prayers. Verbal as well as mental prayers that are saying. Is it okay? So verbal as well as mental prayers. That would be better, I guess. Okay, even and is okay, but as well as mental prayers that are okay. So Ansha, yes. D part.
It includes the devotions, verbal as well as mental prayers that are said.
That are
Said.
yes, that are said. So here instead of saying, it should be said. So it includes the devotions, verbal as well as mental prayers that are said. Okay. Gurshan Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
E part.
There are various ways. There are various ways and forms of. There are various ways and form of prayer and meditation.
Yeah, there are various ways and forms of prayer and meditation. So off is correct over here. So there are various ways and forms of prayer and meditation. It can be forms of prayers and meditation, anything. So let's see. So off is correct. So now raise hand, the one who wants to speak the answer. F part. Okay. Yes, Lavanya again.
There are various ways and forms like prayer and meditation, vocal prayers, etc.
There are various ways and forms of prayer and meditation. There are various forms of prayer like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. Like it can be like this. So there are various forms and there are various ways and forms of prayer like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. I guess that would be okay. Yes, Ishani, yes. G part.
Yes, ma'am. But the fundamental or the base of prayer is not any of these.
Okay, anyone else? Ansha, yes.
I have the same answer too. But the fundamental or the base of prayer are not any of these.
Yes, repeat, please. Speak a bit louder.
But the fundamental or the base of prayer are not any of these.
Okay, but the fundamental or the base of the prayer are not any of these. So, but the fundamental or the base of prayer. So instead of either, it should be or. That is okay. Or the base of the prayer are not any of these. Is it okay? Who will speak now? Okay, Deepali, speak. Give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. But the fundamental or the base of prayer is not any of these.
Yeah, is not any of these. That is correct. So overall exercise. Now let me ask somebody to speak up. Kirtima, speak the whole exercise now. Kirtima, unmute yourself. Kirtima. Okay, Gaurav. Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak the whole
In
exercise.
the traditional sense, prayer means communicating with God Almighty. It includes the devotions, verbal and as well as mental prayers that are said. There are various ways and there are various ways and forms of prayer and like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. But the fundamental or the base of prayer is not any.
Yeah. So it's okay. Well done, Gaurav. Now, second exercise we are going to start. Let's all read it together. You people read it with me, including the mistakes without editing. Maricha. Marich, Maricha changed him into a charming golden deer, unsurpassing beauty, and wandered around an ashram playfully in order to drawing Sita's attention. Sita is gathering flowers near the ashram while she suddenly saw the golden deer. Enchanted with the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Ram and Lakshman to look into the exquisite animal. So let's do it again. Only reading with mistakes. Okay. Marich changed him into a charming golden deer on surpassing beauty and wandered around an ashram playfully in order to drawing Sita's attention. Sita is gathering flowers near the ashram while she suddenly saw the golden deer. Enchanted with the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Ram and Lakshman to look into the exquisite animal. Okay, so you must be knowing, like, here is a reference to Ramayana. Okay, before Sita was going to be abducted by Ravan, before that Marich had come in the guise of that golden deer, right? So it is a reference to that part of Ramayana. So Maricha changed him into a charming golden deer on surpassing beauty and wandered around an ashram. So all of you take your 1 or 2 minutes, solve the exercise, and of course, I will check your notebooks within 1 or 2 minutes. Keep your notebooks, cameras on after 1 minute. Okay. Now raise hand those who've done the exercise. Okay, Lakshay Sharma. Lakshay, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Lakshay. Anji Lakshay ji, hurry up, unmute yourself. Don't try to become a statue. Lakshay, unmute yourself. Yes, Lakshay. Okay, Lakshay, I'll talk to your parents later on. Okay, Navnoor, beta.
Marcia changed himself into
What will be the A
Charming.
answer? Marich changed him into a charming golden deer. So what's the mistake here? Navnoor, yes.
him will change into himself.
Yes. Marich changed himself into a charming golden deer. Okay, so Marich changed himself. Yes, Manevit, B part.
Marine changed himself into a charming golden deer by surpassing beauty.
With surpassing beauty. Marich changed himself into a charming golden deer with surpassing beauty. Okay. Jia and Chanvi. Jia and Chanvi. Unmute yourself. Yes. You're not audible. You're not audible, Jia.
Maricha changed himself into a charming golden deer with surpassing beauty and wonder.
So there is some network issue with you. You're not audible. I'll come back to you later on. Okay. Yes, Anshya.
Yes, ma'am. Maricha changed himself into a charming golden deer with surpassing beauty and wandered around the ashram.
Yes, and wandered around the ashram. Okay, and he started wandering around the ashram. Okay, now Ishani.
Yes, ma'am. Maricha changed himself into a charming golden deer with surpassing beauty and wandered around the ashram playfully in order to draw Sita's attention.
Yes, in order to draw Sita's attention. Yes. Okay, Gaurav. Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am.
In order to
And
draw
Sita-
Sita's
and
attention.
And Sita was gathering flowers near the ashram.
Yes, Sita was gathering flowers near the ashram. Yes. Okay. Now who will speak? Arshdeep, yes.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मुझे फर्स्ट में से डाउट था कि जो मरिका चेंज हिमसेल्फ इनटू कह रहे हैं हम मैम शी वाज अ मॉन्स्ट्रेस इन द स्टोरी
He was a
मॉन्स्ट्रेस
speak louder. He was a
मैम वो she was a lady monster.
No, he was a man. You may read Ramayana, Marich. Marich was, he was a man. So Marich changed himself into a charming golden deer with surpassing beauty and wandered around the ashram playfully in order to draw Sita's attention. Right? So Sita was gathering flowers near the ashram while she suddenly saw the golden deer. So what's the mistake here? What's the
When she
mistake here?
suddenly saw the golden deer.
Yes?
When she suddenly saw the golden deer.
That is correct. When she suddenly saw the golden deer. Yes, when she saw the golden deer, enchanted with the charming beauty of the animal. What's the mistake here?
Enchanted by the charming beauty of the animal.
Yes, very good. Enchanted by the charming beauty of the animal. Yes.
She asked,
Wait. Chaitanya, unmute yourself. Yes, Chaitanya. Okay, Garima. Chaitanya, Garima, Gurleen. So these children are inattentive with the class.
Enchanted with by the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Rama and Lakshmana to look at the executive.
Just a minute, don't say Rama and Lakshmana, okay? They are very much Ram and Lakshman. Okay, we just put A in the end because that is how the consonant sound gets completed. It's not that it becomes Rama, it's Ram only. Lakshman, Ram, okay? So she asked Ram and Lakshman to look into the exquisite animal. So enchanted by the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Ram and Lakshman to look for the exquisite animal. To look for means to search for. Okay, to look into means something else, but look for means to search for. So the last H part should be to look for the exquisite animal. Is that clear? So next exercise is also there. Now you people can take a screenshot. So first, second we have done. So take the screenshot of third and fourth exercise and solve them on your own. Okay. Okay. So today, Laksh, the children, those who were not responding to my call, Ansha, take the screenshot of the attendance and send me the names of those children who did not respond today. Okay, write their names. I might be calling their parents. Okay. Okay, time is almost over. Shall we leave now?